there's $168 billion business hiding in plain sight, and nobody's talking about it. While everyone's chasing crypto and side hustle, the car rental industry quietly pulled in nearly $168 billion globally in 2025. And yet most people are still sleeping on it. According to Grand View Research, the global car rental market was estimated at $168 billion in 2025. Today, I'm exposing the real money business nobody is teaching you about. I will show you why the car rental industry is the ultimate under the radar wealth generator in 2025. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. The global industry is projected to reach $278 billion by 2030, right? This is a 10.5% growth year over year, right? In the US, the car rental market hit $35 billion in 2024, and it's forecasted to grow 5% annually all the way through to 2034. This is an emerging market. In the reports, economy cars alone hold over 32% of global car rental market share in 2024. This is why I teach how to start and scale your economy car rental business in this channel. If you haven't seen my videos, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I will teach you exactly how to start with one car and scale your economy car rental business without Turo. Why do so many people miss this? It's not sexy like crypto or drop shipping. The truth is, these businesses promise high returns, but they never talk about the risk. They never talk about what could go wrong on a day-to-day basis. They never talk about the theft that happens, especially when it comes to crypto. And drop shipping, they never talk about how much you need to do marketing, how much money you need to spend. They never talk about the razor thin margins. Barely any profits. Right. But the car rental industry is overlooked. It's seen as just a car business, making people ignore the massive revenue potential. You have major players like Enterprise who hold 40% of the US share of the car rental industry. You have Hertz and Avis that dominate quietly behind the scenes. That's the reason why these businesses, these car rental enterprises, there's a reason why there's so many of them, because the demand for this car rental business is high. The biggest money makers don't yell. They just drive quietly while others are busy chasing trending businesses like crypto or drop shipping. For example, renting out one economy car for 20 days out of the month at $50 a day, that's $1,000 a month. That's $12,000 a year. You multiply that by just 5, that's $60,000 a year. The average salary in the United States is $40,000 to $50,000. You're making more than most people in the country with just 5 cars. And this is only if your car is rented $20, 20 days out of the month at $50. As we know, with the economy car game, we can rent the cars out weekly. And we can buy the cars at $4,000 to $5,000. So 5 cars, in theory, that's $20,000. You don't think you can get approved for $20,000 on a credit card? You don't think you can get a $20,000 loan to go pick up 5 cars right away and start earning more money than most people ever will? All right. With this industry, scale and growth is infinite. This model specifically is being replicated 1,000 times over by small business owners. That's true. If you want to know the exact blueprint I use, profit breakdowns, agreements, insurance, automation templates, make sure you join the free Facebook group. The link's in the description. Why this business model will work for you. Travel is at an all-time high. Most people are traveling all the time. There's rising demand. And when people travel, they need vehicles to get around. Online bookings are up over 70% in 2024. This means that most people are shopping online. That's why Turo is such a big business. How can you benefit from this? You can put your business online. You can utilize social media platforms. You can utilize Google Panel, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Make it easy and convenient for people to find you. Economy cars dominate. They're practical, they're affordable, they're reliable, and they have high gas mileage. That's why our renters, our target audience, rent out our vehicles. Why? Because it's reliable, it's affordable, and it has high miles per gallon. So they can use the vehicles, they can work, they can make money, and they can pay us a very small percentage of how much they're making. The US is the largest regional market for car rentals in the world. Why most people fail? They lack systems, no automation, poor insurance protection, and weak agreements. Most people are stuck to this day on platforms like Turo and Get Around, and they don't build their own brand. They don't see what's right in front of them. A multi-billion-dollar industry that's made for people who are hustlers, that made for people who have the creativity to go out there and make it happen. This isn't hype. I'm not here to sell you anything. The car rental business speaks for itself. It's real money. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's fast growing. It's fueled by tourism. It's fueled by convenience. It's fueled by technology. It's fueled by flexibility. And right now, it's wide open for people who act quickly and who act smart. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start a real business, make sure you join the free Facebook group, link below. Like this video, subscribe for future deep dives, and comment. Which market are you going after? Are you doing the gig economy market? Are you going for airport, travelers? Are you going for luxury? Or are you going for exotics? Let's build while most people sleep.